spotting out way ahead of itself.
130 is bugged.
We're going to widen it out with you to the left, mass 4.
Okay. Roger.
I can only have you for one drop. If I can get you for another, I'm going to take it. If not, then that's just the way it goes.
I've got a return for, I'll tell you later. I'm going to want to get your flaps.
Final going down to 3400. Got about a 280 heading.
To what? 70?
Landing gear.
You're going to see the power lines out there, so just, you know, pop up a little bit.
Landing
Stay
gear.
to your right and go straight out, okay?
Landing
and then,
gear.
Climb up as you get out of the FTA.
Landing gear.
Got it.
Landing gear. Landing gear.
On speed
Landing
70.
gear. Landing gear. Landing gear.
You start
Landing
right
gear.
here, okay?
Landing gear.
Ready. Ready.
Altitude.
Drop.
Landing gear.
Load clear.